So this is Liu Bo reimagined. I've already clicked me to create a game here, and so that I can join here. So okay, this is Ruby. Ruby has created a game, and then team is going to join. So immediately become play. So if I tap play, it opens up the game here. We can also take a look at the network traffic. So now I tap play, and then you can see the game loads up here. This is spinning, so team needs to wait. Ruby start first. Ruby's red, so you can see it has pushed something out. So, but there is a limitation on concurrent connection. So you see several seconds of delay, and then here I cannot change anything because Ruby is playing. I can zoom in. Okay, I will move here. So look at here. When I tap here, team also see this movement. Of course, we can use touchpad to move the second piece. Okay, a little bit of delay. Okay, here I can use touch. I can use mouse. You can see that the cursor has a circle thing next to it, meaning that I cannot move to these leaves. I can only move to the light up one. So Ruby also see the change, but her cursor is a weight cursor spinning. Cannot do anything except capture and save. Okay, let's go to that later. And now I cannot move this piece again. I move another piece. So this one changed to the waiting cursor, and the Taiji is spinning. Here you can see push what I can select this one and just look at here. I select this one. Nothing happens there, but something happens here. Oh, I didn't click start capturing. Sorry. Okay, so it has some HTTP request and response. Now I still have one move, so look at this again. It's pushed something and it's pulling. So this push and pull, it's long pulling. You see, you will see how many seconds I respond. So now I move the green one. So it took 70 seconds. Okay, the Windows Archer one, let me close it first. So now green is moving. I still have one more move. Oh, I have more move because I had 2-1. Now I have 2-4, so I even have more moves. So Ruby keeps pulling my movements. So I will push some movement to her. Ah, 2-1. Team is lucky. He's got a lot of moves. So last one because 2 cannot get it further moves. So this is the last step before Ruby goes on. Okay, now I push. So I select this one. It will push something very small. It only push out 0.24 or 25 kb. I cannot move here. I'm moving this one. So 1. I move that the way. Now 4. I can still move. It shows 2 choices because I'm at this or this leaf. Then I can move towards the center, but not the center because I had to move 4. Okay, 1-1. 1-1. I can move again. 1, 2. Now let's clean this up, and then green. I can become butterfly very soon. Select. So whenever I change the selection, you can see that there is some HTTP request response there. Okay, when I change the selection, it receives HS thing. Here, red, I can move towards the goal of becoming a butterfly. So the next step, I will become the butterfly. Yes. Butterfly can move again. And you can see the wing is flapping. So I move. Just move to whatever places. Now the green one can capture the butterfly and end the game. So green will win. Dun. Okay, green has won. Okay. So this is not the only way to win. We have a page of rules that show you how to win and how to lose. In case your screen is smaller, so or the browser is narrower, it will only show 1 column instead of 2. Okay, if your screen is wide, oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. dun, dun. The screen is white, then it shows two columns. We can see where the players are. So here they are. This is PolyU. Who is this? If you want to know who the user is, just use your mouse. Use the mouse point to the marker. It will show the username here. And yes, if you don't have a touchscreen, you can use this small zoom controls. So I can also change my geolocation. So for example, I can go to Kowloon and hit enter or click. Oh, where is it? Oh. Okay, click enter. Here goes the Kowloon. Of course, I can also multi-touch here. Let's go to PolyU. Just like that. Yes, this is PolyU. And zoom in. See the library and other things. So it's already in PolyU. So let's try somewhere else. Hong Kong. Observe. And then submit. Updated successfully. So if I tap map here, then it should show a different location. So just now I'm at Ruby. Just now Ruby was in PolyU. Now we're in Hong Kong Observatory. And let's go back to home. So you can see I just won, and this one lost. So I just tap capture. So I've captured game 5. I can play that moment with a robot or find another user online. And you can see that after we finish a game, it will show no matches available. But this is also using long pooling, so almost real-time update here. But for capture moments, because the thing is less frequently used, so I put a refresh for manually refreshing this part. In case you just want to clear the cache, I also provide a link here, so you can see the cache time, clear cache, and it will update the time. So the spinning animation just gives you a sense that it is updating. Actually, it's not that busy. So another feature that is exclusive for Internet Explorer is this jump list. We can jump directly to play Liu Bo or see the map like this. So we can I just tap play Liu Bo, so we go to this page. I can create game, and then here immediately it shows up here. So if you don't believe, I'm going to show you again. So here is network. Start capturing network. So I tap me. Oops. Done. Oh, this one first. So it perhaps too many concurrent connections because the Windows Azure I'm using the free one. So there's a limitation. Let's just wait for a while or okay. Oh, I've created a lot here. So if no one join your game, you can play with a robot. If someone join, first I close these things up. Join. Can I join? Pending. So you already get the idea. So for the save the moment, if I tap play with robot, I still have to wait for it to load the game. So the same thing here. I just have to wait. Too many concurrent connections. If you don't want to wait, you can call me to restart the server so as to reset the connections. Oh, it's very slow here. So this is Liu Bo. So we are only using several seconds of CPU time. Okay, that's it. I can restart the server so you load faster. As you can see, this one already updated, this one's not updated. Try to clear the cache. Number 9, yeah. I already tapped join, but this one still takes some time. Anyway, that's it for tonight.